Ifeabo from Wagata Ifya Motors. This is a 07 Sequoia, one of the vehicles unloaded from this very container. And this is 017 Highlander, also unloaded from the said container. This is a proof that Wagata Ifya Motors has been living up to expectations of the general populace, proving to us that they know nothing about car business. They are the giants. They are very reliable and dependent. Tested and trusted. I bet you, Wagata Ifya Motors is the best club, the best company you can trust and rely on when you need anything or any kind of vehicle. Not just vehicle. Any other thing that you need, you can contact Wagata Ifya Motors. So long as it's something that can be bought from America, Wagata Ifya Motors is a dependable source to bring it down to Nigeria for you. Now, you can see that we have two cars left here. An 04 Sienna and 09 Corolla. And the laborers are working hard to make sure they bring them down. So, I urge everyone who needs the services of Wagata Ifya Motors to please make haste and call Wagata Ifya Motors on his phone number so that you can strike a deal with him. It's so reliable, tested. We, his contact in Nigeria, we are keeping it up with him to make sure that whatever he gives us to deliver, we deliver it straight to the owner without delay, without stories. Wagata Ifya Motors.